Did anybody know that dogs snore? Because I'm over here laughing my ass off right now. Just listen. Yo, this shit is louder than a human being. What are we doing here? I was watching a video, and all of a sudden I hear, and I'm thinking, ain't nobody here? What is that? Nope. It's just a puppy. I ain't know that. I'm dog sitting, by the way, so y'all, before y'all say, how you have a dog, you don't know that they snore? I'm dog sitting. That's my cousin's dog, okay? Cute little thing, too. Look at it. She's just a little baby, okay? But listen, honestly, yo, comment down below if you knew dogs snore, because I'm mind blown right now. Thank you.